Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to share file from Mac OS to any VM in UTM. So you can see I have Ubuntu desktop and the Cloudera is installed. So I need to share file from my Mac OS to Ubuntu desktop and to Cloudera. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain you everything step by step. So you need to carefully watch the video and you need to follow the steps. Okay, so at the beginning what you need to do, you need to go to this Apple icon. Okay, you need to go to the system preference, and then first thing you need to do, you need to go to sharing, and then you need to check it in the file sharing. You need to click it. Okay, and remote login, and you need to give remote login to, like, for all user you can give for now, but after that you need to uncheck it. Okay, for now I am giving for all user and full access to remote user. Okay, I need to give the allow full this access to remote user. Okay, and here also you need to give the same. So what I'm going, I have checked this file sharing and remote login, and then this is the first thing I need to do. And second things, like there is a other option also. You can go to the share directory and you can browse and you can select the desktop also, but I think no need to do it. Okay, so this is the other option, something other you can do, but I'm not going to do that. So after sharing that, after enabling that sharing and remote login, what you need to do, you need to go to your Finder. Okay, and you need to go to this Finder, you can see, and this is a Finder is opening, and then go and then home. Okay, let me go to home, and in the home folder you can see this is my user ID, and in this user ID I have created this folder. Okay, so let me create a fresh folder for you, since I want to show you step by step everything. Let me create a folder, my sharing mkd. Okay, and here what I am going to do, I have pasted this file and rename it mkd mixture. Okay, so this is the file, this is the location. You can see in the user, and this is my user ID, and here you can see this is the sharing folder, and I'm going to share this file to my VM. Okay, so you can paste the file here, whatever you want to share. This is the second things you need to do. And then let me start from my Ubuntu machine. I have already opened this Ubuntu. Let me click and let me log in here. You can see it's open, and let me put my password. Okay, and then here what you need to do, you need to go to this file. Okay, and then you need to go to other location. The remote login is already enabled. Okay, you can see I have already opened this remote login and file sharing. You need to click on this remote login, and then your username should be your login name of your Mac, and you have to put your Mac login password, and you just connect it. You can see it's connecting. Okay, and this is the home folder of your Mac, and then here go to user, and then this is the user folder, and you can see my sharing mkd. Okay, and this is mkd mixture folder on my Mac machine. Let me paste it to my Ubuntu. You can see I'm pasting it to the Ubuntu, and this is something under SBT project. And let me do one thing. Let me share this from Ubuntu to Mac. You can see I have pasted here. You can directly copy and paste, and let me go to my Finder again. Okay, and you can see this is my Mac machine, and you can see this project is pasted here. Okay, so you can copy paste anything from your VM to Mac and Mac to VM, and you need to follow this step. Okay, so another step, what I'm going to do, this is a request for someone. He requested me to make a video how to copy file from Cloudera to local machine and local to Cloudera. Okay, so let me close this Ubuntu and let me explain here in Cloudera. Okay, so same process. You need to go to appearance, and you need to check mark this file sharing and remote login, and you need to paste a file here on home, and here you can see my sharing mkd. Okay, suppose you need to paste this mkd mixture or SBG project to this Cloudera. Then what you need to do, you need to log into the Cloudera, and the Cloudera is very much slow. You have to wait for 45 minutes or 35 minutes after login, then it will be a little bit faster. So after logging to this Cloudera, you need to go to my computer. Let me go from the starting. You need to click here, my computer or Cloudera home. Then you need to go to file. Okay, and you need to connect to server. Okay, and you need to go to the first option, SSH, and here you need to know the IP of your machine. So how you will know that? You will go to machine and ifconfig. Okay, just do, and this is my IP address 192.168. Okay, this is my IP address, and you need to go to your Cloudera. Yeah, this is my Cloudera, and you need to put your server IP 190.168.65.1. okay, and you need to put your username, whatever you have. So then connect. You can see this is the password. You need to put the password here and connect. Okay, and you can see this is the this is your Mac mesh desktop, and here you need to go to user. You can see, and this is my username, and you can go to my sharing mkd. Okay, suppose you need to paste this SBT project, you can just copy and paste here. You can see it's copying. Okay, so suppose I need to copy this one, faster copy. You can see it's copied, and anything you can copy from here to there. Okay, so this is how you can copy anything from your Mac machine to any VM in UTM, and from VM to Mac and Mac to VM. Okay guys, hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.